Morning. Right, my mission today is to get Beatrice into the big pen because she's now out of in the creche pen with her babies. However, we've got a problem because one of the babies ran back in to the pen and is now in with the other mother who's about to give birth. So I've got to remove that baby. Okay, so I've got the little piggy. Here he is. Or she. I haven't actually sexed it yet, so I don't know whether it's a girl or a boy. And now we're going to give her back to her mum. So there we go. All the little babies reunited with mum. So I've got them here. This is the holding pen on the farm. So it's a stable. And they've been in here all night, minus the little piglet who spent the night with Rosie. Here with Beatrice. So the next mission is to get them all down the field. The piglets safely moved. Look at mustard. I'm going to go for some of these greens. Lamb's lettuce. Look at that. Lovely bit of roast pork with Cajun seasoning and maple syrup. That's my pulled pork sandwich with lettuce from the garden. Beautiful. Oh, that is beautiful. Slow cooked to perfection.